When it comes to upgrading your home or business in Birmingham, one of the simplest yet most impactful ways to make a statement is by choosing custom doors over standard options. Whether you're renovating your house, building a new property, or upgrading your business premises, doors are more than just functional items. They serve as the gateway to your space, influencing both curb appeal and the overall ambiance inside. Here's why opting for custom doors in Birmingham is a choice you won't regret. Perfect fit for your property. One of the most significant advantages of custom doors is that they can be tailored to fit your specific space, both in terms of dimensions and design. Standard doors often come in preset sizes, which can lead to gaps or awkward fits, especially in older properties or those with unique architectural features. Custom doors, on the other hand, are made to measure, ensuring a seamless installation that complements your property perfectly. Whether you're working with a non-standard frame or need a door that fits unusually shaped openings, custom options can accommodate any request. This ensures that your door fits perfectly, enhancing the overall appearance of your home or business. Unique design and personalization. While standard doors can sometimes feel generic, custom doors allow you to bring your unique style and vision to life. Whether you want a traditional wooden door with intricate carvings or a sleek modern design with frosted glass panels, custom doors can be crafted to match your exact preferences. This allows you to create a statement piece that complements the overall style of your property, be it contemporary, rustic, minimalist, or something more bespoke. In Birmingham, a city known for its diverse architecture, choosing a custom door can ensure that your door reflects both your personal taste and the character of your property, adding to its overall charm and curb appeal. Increased durability and quality. When you opt for a custom door, you often have the option to choose premium materials that are designed to last. Standard doors are often mass-produced with materials that are more cost-effective but may not offer the same durability or performance as custom-made options. With a custom door, you can choose from high-quality timber, composite materials, steel, or even specialist finishes, ensuring that your door is not only beautiful but built to last. In a bustling city like Birmingham, where weather conditions can be unpredictable, having a door that can withstand the elements is essential. Custom doors are often crafted with higher-grade materials and more attention to detail, which can result in a product that offers better insulation, security, and resistance to wear and tear. Enhanced security features. Security is a priority for any homeowner or business owner, and custom doors can offer enhanced security features that standard doors may lack. From reinforced locks and frames to advanced security glazing options, a custom door allows you to incorporate the latest security technology. For businesses in Birmingham, having a secure entrance is especially important to protect assets, inventory, and staff. Additionally, custom doors can be built with your specific security needs in mind, allowing you to select door materials, locking mechanisms, and features that meet your exact requirements. Whether it's a solid wood door with a multi-point locking system or a steel door for added protection, you can ensure that your door provides the highest level of security for your space. boost property value. Investing in custom doors can also significantly enhance the value of your property. Quality. Well-designed doors can give a lasting first impression and are often considered an asset by potential buyers. If you're looking to sell your property in Birmingham, having bespoke doors can set your home apart from others on the market. In commercial properties, a custom door can signal professionalism and attention to detail, which can be particularly important for businesses in competitive industries. Whether it's a distinctive entrance door to your shopfront or an elegant interior door for your office space, custom doors can make your property stand out and attract more attention. Sustainability and energy efficiency. Many custom door manufacturers in Birmingham offer eco-friendly options, allowing you to select sustainable materials and energy-efficient designs. Custom doors can be designed to meet modern energy standards, helping to keep your home or business warm in winter and cool in summer. Energy-efficient doors reduce heat loss and improve insulation, potentially lowering your energy bills. In a city like Birmingham, where energy conservation is becoming increasingly important, choosing a custom door that meets these standards can contribute to a greener, more sustainable lifestyle. Conclusion. When it comes to choosing doors for your home or business in Birmingham, custom doors provide a wealth of advantages over standard options. From ensuring a perfect fit to allowing for personalized designs, increased durability, enhanced security, and improved energy efficiency, custom doors offer significant value for both residential and commercial properties. Whether you are looking to improve curb appeal, secure your property, or create a unique interior, investing in custom doors can transform your space while offering long-lasting benefits.